Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to transfer cryptocurrency from CoinMarketCap. The first thing I want you to do is just launch the app and log into your account, and then here at the bottom menu, I want you to tap on the portfolio tab, this one at the bottom right. Okay, now here, what I want you to do, if you already have a transaction set up, that's perfectly fine, but to transfer it, you need to begin a new transaction. So tap on transaction right here, and then just simply go ahead and add a transaction. So we need to choose the coin I want to transfer. So for example, let's select Bitcoin. And then all you need to do here, okay, by default, by the way, you'll be on the buying page for Bitcoin. What I want you to do is switch to this one right here. Tap on transfer, and then just enter, the amount that you wish to transfer. The amount of Bitcoin, let's say you want to transfer 1 Bitcoin. Okay, and then here you can choose the different options. For example, you want to transfer in with this account or transfer out, whatever else. Just select the price, set the fee, everything that is going to be associated with the transaction, and then just go ahead and tap add a transaction. And after you have created a transaction, basically once someone accepts your transaction order, then you'll be able to successfully transfer your cryptocurrency to the other wallet. That's all it takes. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.